Learning English YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present on the topic basic sentence patterns in English. S subject, V verb, O object, C complement, A adjunct. There are 6 sentence patterns in English. Number 1, SV. Number 2, SVO. Number 3, SVIODO. Number 4, SVC. Number 5, SVOC. Number 6, SVOA. Let me start with the first pattern, S plus V, subject plus verb. Subjects are A, nouns, or B, pronouns, which are used as subjects. Now let me tell you about A, noun. Name of a person, George. Name of a place, Chennai. Name of an animal, lion. If you want to know more about noun, I have given the card at the top. You can check it later. Now let me go to B, pronouns. Pronouns which are used as subjects, they, we, I, you, he, she, it. Now let me go to verb. Verb shows an action or activity or work done. Look at these examples. George plays. George is subject, plays verb. Ram bought. Ram is subject, bought verb. Third example, Kumar painted. Subject, verb. Now let me go to the second pattern, SVO, subject plus verb plus object. Look at this sentence. Ram bought a bike. Here Ram subject, bought verb. A bike is object. To get the object, we need to ask question what or whom. Here Ram bought what? A bike. This sentence pattern is SVO. Now let me give you 3 more examples for SVO. Sentence number 1, John loves music. Number 2, the teacher praised the student. Number 3, I bought a car. Now let me go to the third pattern, SVIODO. To get the object, we need to ask question, what or whom. When you have 2 objects in the sentence, if the subject and verb answers for whom, it is indirect object. If the subject and verb answers for what, it is direct object. Look at these examples. The teacher gave me a book. Here teacher is subject, gave verb, me indirect object, book direct object. Sam taught me French. SVIODO. Number 3, cow gives us milk. SVIODO. Now let me go to the fourth pattern, SVC, subject plus verb plus complement. A complement completes the meaning of a sentence and it comes after the verbs in the be form. Be form, am, is, are, was, were, etc. Now, let me give you examples. She is a teacher. SVC. I am a doctor. SVC. They are students. SVC. Now, let me go to the fifth pattern. SVOC. Subject plus verb plus object plus complement. Look at this sentence. They appointed him dash. Here we have subject plus verb plus object. Here we do not know they appointed him as what? As a clerk, leader, or secretary. When we add clerk, then sentence is complete. They appointed him clerk. The word clerk completes the meaning of the sentence. It is a complement. The verbs become, make, appoint, choose, select, elect, nominate, name, call, etc. have a complement. Look at these examples. Students elected him leader. Number 2, we declared Rom as a winner. Number 3, director appointed her as a nurse. Now let me go to the last pattern, SVOA. Subject plus verb plus object plus adjunct. An adjunct is something added to another thing but not an essential part of it. To get adjunct, we need to ask question when, where, or how. When denotes time, at 10 a.m., in the morning, etc. Where represents place, railway station, Agra, etc. How represents manner, slowly, fast, etc. Look at these examples. He wrote a letter yesterday. SVOA. He invited me to Agra. SVOA. Number 3, the crowd cheered him happily. SVOA. I hope you have understood all the 6 patterns. For more examples and details, you can check the description. Thank you very much for watching.